Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well and studying well. So children, are you attempting all the exercises that we've done so far of the concepts that we've learned? Good. So अब बच्चों हम सीखते हैं आगे वाला concept which is called the tenses. Okay, tenses, present tense. That's the name of our chapter. Okay, so hello kids, read the following sentences. The man goes for a walk every day. The man went for a walk yesterday. The man will go for a walk tomorrow. So first sentence जो है वो हमें बता रहा है कि जो आदमी है वो regular basis पे क्या कर रहा है. Okay, so he tells us that what the man does regularly. Okay, this is about the present time. Okay, second, वो that sentence, okay, second sentence, the man went for a walk yesterday. तो हमें वो क्या बता रहा है कि action जो हुई है already उसके बारे में बता रहा है. Okay, that is telling us the action that has already been done by the man. Okay, this is about the past time. Clear? Sentence 3, it tells us about what the man is going to do, okay, or will do in the future. तो आदमी आगे जाके क्या करने वाला है उसके बारे में जब बताते हैं वो होते हैं future time के action. Clear? So thus there are 3 types of tenses. एक होता है present, एक होता है past और एक होता है future. Clear? So let's look at the present tense. What does it say? When a verb refers to present time, it is said to be in the present tense. For example, I write, he plays. Clear? Past tense जब होता है, when a verb refers to past time, it is said to be in the past tense. For example, I wrote, write का wrote. Okay, he plays बन जाता है he played. Clear? Future, when a verb refers to future time, it is said to be in the future tense. आगे भविष्य, that becomes your future tense. Okay, for example, I will write, he will play, मैं लिखूंगी, okay, वो खेलेगा. So अभी वो action हुई नहीं है, होने वाली है, इसके लिए वो बन जाती है future tense की action. Clear? So each of these tenses is further divided into 4 subcategories. अब ये जो tenses है ये पहले तो tenses 3 categories में आ गए जैसे present, past और future. अब इन्हें हम और divide करेंगे as simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Past tense को हम divide करेंगे simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. And future tense, simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Okay, so चलो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे simple present tense. We use the base form of the verb with plural nouns. Okay, and I, we, you, they and verb plus s or es with singular nouns and he, she, it. Okay, तो यहाँ पे जब हम बोलते हैं I write, we write, you write, they write, he writes, she writes, it writes, तो ये बन जाते हैं हमारे simple present tense. Okay, ये action हो रही है at the moment. Okay, so ये यहाँ पे हम बोलते हैं कि we use the base form of the verb. जो base form होता है I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay, ये base form हो गए. Okay, और उसके साथ हम लिखेंगे जो action हो रही है उसके बारे में at the present time. Okay, so simple present tense is used for things that are always true. जो चीज़ें हमेशा सही होती है, true होती है, उसके लिए हम use करते हैं simple present tense. The sun rises in the east. Owls hoot at night. The lion eats only meat. A snake has no eyelids. Okay, so ये हमेशा true है, इसमें कोई भी change नहीं होने वाले. जैसे sun हमेशा east में ही rise करेगा. Clear? Owls रात को hoot करते हैं. Okay, lion और सिर्फ मीट खाता है. क्या आपने कभी lion को सब्जियां खाते हुए देखा है? नहीं ना? So lion always eats meat. Okay. A snake has no eyelid. Okay. Next time जब snake देखोगे, do observe him, whether the snake has an eyelid or not. Okay, clear? So next is for things that happen again and again as a matter of habit, जो चीज़ें लगातार होती जाती है ओके आदत की वजह से, तो वो होते हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. लाइक मदर यूजुअली गेट्स अप एट 6 o'clock. I go for a walk every day. So this is like a matter of habit, okay? Grandma tells us a story every night. Children play cricket every Sunday. Clear? Okay. So next is for things that remain the same for a long time. जो चीज़ें लंबे समय तक वैसे ही रहती है, okay? For those are in the simple present tense. My uncle lives in Mumbai. All of the students respect him. Mrs. Priya teaches us English. My father works in an office. Clear? बहुत आसान है. चलो अब हम करते हैं exercises. Okay? So be smart. A. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the box. Okay. I dash in class 5 now. तो यहाँ पे आप क्या डालोगे, कौन सा verb डालोगे? See, you have the options here. Okay. I study in class 5 now. Clear? Children dash football in the evening. So children play football in the evening. They dash their clothes on Sundays. They wash their clothes on Sundays. आसान है. You have the help box. वहाँ से आपको appropriate words को pick up करना है और इसमें fill in the blanks करने. काफ़ी easy है बच्चों. And these are like on your you use these words in your daily vocabulary. So आसानी से आप कर पाओगे. Okay. Next is present continuous tense. So this tense is used to talk about the action that is happening at the time of speaking. जैसे हम बोल रहे हैं उस टाइम पे वो action हो रही है. Okay. So this tense is formed with am, is, are plus present participle. So ing form of the verb. जैसे I am playing. We, you, they are playing. He, she, it is playing. हम बोल सकते हैं we are studying. और we are watching a video. आप बोल सकते हो ना I am watching a video. So this action is being happening. Okay, present continuous में action हो रही. So this tense is used to show an action that is going on at the time of speaking. For example, the birds are flying in the sky. The owl is grazing in the pasture. Okay. Now, next thing is to express an action that is going to happen in the near future. जो action near future में होने वाली है उसके बारे में. He is going to Delhi next week. Okay, we are going to the zoo tomorrow. So ये near future में, okay, आने वाले दिनों में जब action होने वाली है उसके बारे में बता रहे तो वो हो जाते हैं present continuous tense. Clear? Next, fill in the blanks with the present continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets. चलो एक्सरसाइज करते हैं so that we understand this concept very well. Okay, Kavita dash her homework. Kavita is doing her homework. Mother dash food for us. Mother is cooking food for us. आसान. So like that, refer to what you have read already and then start attempting these exercises. Okay, so bachcho, it's quite easy and I'm sure all of you can easily do it. Okay, now let's look at the next type of present tense, which is called the present perfect tense. Now this tense is used to refer to completed actions, जो actions हो गई हैं, or events that took place before the present moment at an unspecified time. जब हम time specify नहीं करते और वो action हुई है. Okay, it does not mention the exact time when the action took place. For example, he has gone to Mumbai. He is not here now. I have lost my science book. I don't have it now. Okay, we have bought a new phone. We have a new phone now. देखा आपने, मतलब जब हम बोलते हैं he has gone to Mumbai, मतलब that person is not here now. अभी वो यहाँ नहीं है. Okay, presently that person is not here. I have lost my science book. Okay, at present, okay, I don't have the book. We have bought a new phone. At present, अभी हमने नया phone लिया है. Clear? Okay. So this tense is formed using has or have plus the past participle form of the verb. Okay. जैसे I, we, you, they have arrived. ओके तो यहाँ पे पास्ट पार्टिसिपल यूज किया है हैज या हैव. ओके he she it has arrived. He has arrived, she has arrived, it has arrived. Clear? Now look at the table and notice the difference between present perfect and the simple past tense. अब हम देखते हैं past tense, क्योंकि आप अगर देखोगे ये present perfect जो है उसमें और past tense में काफ़ी similarities हैं. तो इसके लिए it is good to understand कि इन दोनों में difference क्या है. We use the present perfect tense when the time is not specific. Time specific नहीं होता है तब हम use करते हैं present perfect tense. Okay? We use the simple past tense when the time is clear or specific. जब specific time की बात हो रही है, okay? तो हम या clearly हमें पता है किस time पे कुछ हुआ है action. तो those are past tense, simple past tense. So example देखते हैं present perfect tense का. We have already seen that movie. Okay? We don't know when. Okay? हम बता रहे कि मैंने ये मूवी पहले ही देखी, बट हमें पता नहीं कब देखी है. Okay? And when we say that we saw that movie yesterday, तो अब हमने इसको specific time बताया कि मैंने ये मूवी कल देखी, तो ये बन जाता है simple past tense. Clear? जब यहाँ पे हम स्पेसिफिक टाइम मेंशन करते हैं तो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस हुआ है. जब हमें टाइम पता नहीं होता है, हमने कभी पहले देखी हो, ओके, तो हम जस्ट मेंशन करते हैं अरे मैंने तो ऑलरेडी देख ली है, बट कब देखिए वो हम नहीं बता रहे, तो दैट बिकम्स अ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. क्लियर? ओके. सो नाउ नोट, वी यूज सिंस टू शो अ फिक्स्ड टाइम और अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन द पास्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I have known him since 2015. He has liked chocolate since he was a child. We use for to show a period or a duration of time. For example, I have known him for 10 years. He has been reading for 2 hours. तो यहाँ पे आप जब देखोगे we use since. जब हम since word use करते हैं to show a fixed time or a point. Okay? तो जैसे सिंस 2015, ओके, मैं उसको 2015 से जानता हूँ या और जानती हूँ. ही हैज़ लाइक चॉकलेट सिंस ही वॉज चाइल्ड. जब से वो बच्चा था तब से उसको चॉकलेट्स पसंद है. सो सिंस वर्ड हैज़ बीन यूज्ड. ओके, जब हम बोलते हैं कि मैं उसे 10 साल से जानता हूँ या जानती हूँ, ओके, सो इट मीन्स दैट वी यूज़ फॉर टू शो अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, स्पेसिफिक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम बता रहे हैं हम लोग, जैसे 10 साल हो गए. फिर he has been reading for 2 hours. ठीक है? So now let's fill in the blanks. तो exercise करते हैं with the present perfect tense or form of the verbs given in the bracket. Okay, now let's look at the first one. I dash a new car. Buy. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आएगा present perfect. I have bought a new car. Okay, hurry up. The train dash. Okay, bracket में लिखा है arrive. Hurry up. The train has arrived. Clear? He dash many letters to her. Right. He has written many letters to her. Clear? समझ में आया? यहाँ पे कोई specific time mention नहीं किया है, इसके लिए ये बन जाता है present perfect. Alright? So बच्चों जल्दी जल्दी बाकी sentences भी attempt कर लो. They are very easy, but do not forget to reread the chapter before attempting the exercises.